Today, I'm going to talk about a shocking story. A tragic incident unfolded in Bradford as a courageous man, Mohsin Janjua, lost his life attempting to save his brother in a devastating house fire on Finch Street in Little Horton. The 28-year-old hero rushed into his childhood home around 5 a.m., believing his brother Faisal Janjua was still inside as the fire engulfed the terrace property. Unbeknownst to Mohsin, Faisal had already jumped out of a window at the back of the house. Described as a hero by lifelong friend and neighbor Leo White, Mohsin's selfless act unfolded in the early hours of the morning. Leo recounts hearing a crash and screams at 4 a.m. rushing outside to witness the house ablaze. Despite the danger, Mohsin declared, "I'm going in. My brother is in there, displaying unwavering determination." Tragically, Faisal, realizing Mohsin's brave rescue attempt, wanted to go back inside but had injured his leg during the escape. Mohsin spent approximately 15-20 minutes in the engulfed house before succumbing to the flames, leaving the community in shock. Leo, reminiscing about his lifelong friend, describes Mohsin as a really good lad and an angel. Known since school, Mohsin was a friendly and caring individual who always went out of his way to help others. Another friend, who attended the mosque with Mohsin, shared their last conversation a few hours before the incident, showcasing Mohsin's courage and dedication to family. The incident prompted a response from West Yorkshire Police, who reported that a man, a woman, and a child had escaped the fire with non-life-threatening injuries. Unfortunately, Mohsin could not be saved and was pronounced dead at the scene. The police and fire service are collaborating to determine the fire's exact cause, which is currently not believed to be suspicious. This heartbreaking story highlights Mohsin Janjua's heroic sacrifice and the profound impact he had on his community. The video will delve into the details of this tragic event, paying tribute to a selfless individual who gave everything to save his family. Thank you for watching IrajStarTv, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more news and updates. See you next time.